Ayan guys, ready na tayo. Batsi na tayo. Ito lang pala ang magandang salamin eh. Nakabidyo ka na, nakasalamin ka pa. Ayos. Ayan guys, andito na tayo sa school ni Sheila May para mag-attend ng meeting about recognition.
Next one is delegate meeting. Next, next one, Shaya April 16 is 4 quarter. Okay. Make